Okay guys, we got my slime package from Sister Slime Shop, so let's open it. When you open it, oh, okay, it comes with a care sheet. It comes with her business card, Sister Slime Shop, right here, and then I have a code right there. We also got two little charms. They're so cute, a little chocolate one and a pineapple one. We also got some slime activator. All right. Ooh, we got little candies. We got lollipops, Smarties, and a bubble gum. I ordered 2 ounces slime because I'm poor. Oh my god, look how well packaged it is. Okay, we got this. They have a cute little label. It's so cute. And on the bottom it says brownie batter. It's so cute. Look at the container. Oh my.
Very sticky.
Overall, this slime is really soft and squishy. It's kind of sticky, but that's okay. That usually happens whenever slime gets in the mail. This is a cloud cream slime and it smells super good. I would definitely recommend this shop and the slime. Overall, I would give it a 5 out of 5 stars. Next, we got this pineapple scented slime. It's called Dole Whip, and I believe it's a cloud slime. It smells super good. Oh my god. Oh. Has little beads in it too. Oh my god. Okay, let's put the pineapple. I need to perfect a slime recipe like this. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. No, my precious. This is such a real soft slime, guys. I love it. It has these cute little beads in it, and I love. Oh, and it fluffs up so cool. Look at that drizzle. Yes, queen. Wow. Right, Avery? Yes. Overall, guys, I'll give this slime a 5 out of 5 stars because it's such a real soft slime, and I love the little beads and the little charms, and it just feels so good, and the drizzles are amazing. I'm filming this outro a month later because that's how lazy I am. So I'm at work right now, so I'm editing while I'm at work, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe only if you want to. Have a fantastic day, guys. Peace.